Hey guys, and today we're going to be doing a video. We're going to show which is our favourite slime. Oh Ben, don't chuck your slime out so it gets stuck in the carpet. Quick! Right, so get all your slimes out. I don't have time to mess around. Met an angel in Come on Ben. Oh, Ben's just putting his shin pads on. I'll show you his slime. This is his slime that he's got. So it's so jiggly, guys. It's literally so jiggly. It's like jelly. Yeah. No, it's too much water. It's still really good, but I like mine better because Ben just rips. Smells pretty nice. Then here's Ben's fail slime, which is called the Joker slime. I'll call it Joker. It's like hard and then it's like sticky. It's kind of like oobleck, like. So let's get it out. Ew, it's so sticky on the top. It's actually so sticky, guys. It wouldn't have been sticky if we didn't add that really sticky slime in. Oh, good for you. Right, do you want to show them the blueberry slime, which I already showed them, and show them and tell them how you made it?
I made this by using glue.
What kind of glue?
White glue or clear glue.
White glue.
And I did blue dye to it and kept on mixing it, and it came like this. Add some water, activator, and that's probably it.
So how many milliliters of glue did you need?
Glue, I think it was 5 or 15.
15, we needed 15. And then for the activator, we needed 5. Yeah. And for the water, we needed 30, but we only put halfway because that did not work.
Yeah, 15.
So, yeah. And do you want to show them one of my slimes?
Have you shown this one?
Yeah, but don't put your finger in it. Like, just show them. Show them. Don't.
This is mine. I call it graffiti. Really calls it Joker.
Like it's Joker.
It's Joker colours and graffiti colours. Graffiti is like Joker and Batman.
It's so sticky, guys. So, tell them out of 10 how sticky it is.
I think it's like 1. No, not 1. 5 out of 10.
Yeah, it's quite sticky though.
Yeah. This one,
you've already showed them that one.
It's not quite sticky.
It's not even sticky.
It's like 0, 10. Not like 1.
Well, I only said how sticky was that because none of them are basically sticky except the Joker slash graffiti. Right, I'm gonna show my mirror side. I'm gonna show my blue icing slime. Come in the camera. We can only see you. Oh, sorry. Right, so here's my blue icing slime. I know it's weird to put it in a big container, but we didn't have any small containers. And they only gave you 2 cups, literally.
Know. That's sad.
So this one is my least favourite.
Yeah.
It stinks. And it's the worst.
I'm just getting my socks on.
Yeah, Mother's gonna get these socks on. Right, this is literally the worst slime that I've literally ever made. Yesterday it was so good. But I like how it makes the bubbles like this. I like how it goes like this. But then it snaps. Right, so I'm gonna put that one away. Now my next slime that I'm gonna show you is called my crystal slime. This is so hard to close. And in your eyes, guess that song. In your eyes, your home. In my eyes, baby. You have to guess that song, guys. Right. No, I'm gonna show that one last. Right, crystal slime. Here's my second favourite. It is my first favourite for the texture, and it's my second favourite for the slime. Because this is literally the best slime, literally. But I like the colour of my mum's slime, which I'm going to show you in a minute. I could spend all day with this. It's so soft. It crunches. I don't know how slime crunches when there's nothing in it, and then the bubbles. Oh my god. smells good as well. It smells like perfume. So I'm gonna poke the Skylers for you. So, There's the poke thing. And I would just rate this literally like a 9 out of 10. It could be louder at poking, like a 9 out of 10 for this. A 9 out of 10 for the one that I'm going to show you as well. So, here's my sparkly one. I'm sorry that my brother's not in this, but he is. But like, he's getting his socks on and he has to go to football. We're trying to make as many videos as we can together, but it's quite hard. I'm not going to do any videos without him from now. Okay, so I will do a couple, but like when he's like not doing something, I'll ask him. But if he's grumpy, he'll say no. Like, yeah. And poke and test is not great, but still pretty good. No, it's mine. So 9 out of 10, 9 out of 10, 5 out of 10, 8 out of 10, 2 out of 10.
That's probably 1 out of 10.
2 out of 10. Right, so pick a favourite from mine and I'll pick a favourite from yours. Then come in the camera. Boop. Pick a favourite from yours.
My favourite's probably, it's hard to choose. The graffiti.
How is that your favourite? It's like so sticky.
I know. My favourite from yours is Crystal.
And his favourite from mine is Crystal. So these are his 2 favourites. And my favourite from his is this one, and one of them, I can't decide. And a slime. Actually, I'm going to admit this one's my favourite slime. Okay, bye guys.